Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to M5 Mac Mini. Apple's next compact beast is almost here, and it's about to rewrite the rules of desktop computing. The M5 Mac Mini is coming, and it's an AI-optimized, performance-packed monster in a box. If you're a creator, developer, or power user, this is the Mac you've been waiting for. Today, we're diving deep into the full specs, jaw-dropping features, release timeline, pricing, and exactly why the Mac Mini M5 could become 2025's most hyped desktop. This isn't just another iteration. The M5 Mac Mini introduces Apple's next-gen silicon. It's smaller, quieter, and shockingly more powerful than ever. We're talking workstation-level power, AI acceleration, modular chiplets, and up to 128 gigabytes of unified memory in something that fits in the palm of your hand. Chip options base, M5 chip. Pro tier, M5 Pro rumored. M5 Max later in 2026 architecture built on 3 nanometers, SoIC chiplet design cooler. Faster, smarter CPU 8 to 12 performance cores plus 4. 6 efficiency cores GPU 10 to 40 core variants neural engine. 32 core or even 64 core for AI crunching. Memory and storage starts at 18 gigabytes, maxes out at 128 gigabytes, LPDDR5X SSD speeds up to 7.5 gigabytes per second for those 100 GB plus project files configs, 512 gigabytes to 8 terabytes. Connectivity 4 times Thunderbolt 5 Wi-Fi 7 plus Bluetooth 5.410 gigabits, Ethernet 6K monitor support. Ports HDMI 2.2, 2 times USB-A, 3.5 millimeters headphone jack. Operating system ships with macOS Sequoia and Apple Intelligence baked in. 10 game-changing features. M5 performance, boost more performance, better efficiency. Built-in AI processing, run models like TensorFlow and PyTorch locally. Modular chiplet design, Apple's most scalable architecture ever. Memory beast mode up to 128 gigabytes unified memory for real multitasking. Next-gen SSD instant launches with 7.5 GBs read-write. Future-proof I/O, Thunderbolt 5, Wi-Fi 7, everything bleeding edge. Silent assassin, 0 fans, 0 noise, full power. Smart AI, OS, macOS Sequoia. Apple Intelligence, contextual genius. 6K monitor support for multitaskers. Designers, coders. Workstation class performance. Release date. When can you get one? All signs point to an October 2025 launch, likely at Apple's fall event. Pre-orders? Within the same week. Delivery? End of October or early November. Pricing, trim chip, RAM storage, estimated price base. M5 18 gigabytes, 512 gigabytes, $799 to $899. Mid M5 Pro 36 gigabytes, 1 terabyte, $1. $299, $1 for $99. If this video just blew your mind, smash that like button and comment below what's the first thing you would do with a Mac Mini M5. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. We'll be covering benchmarks, comparisons versus M4 Max, and real-world performance tests as soon as they drop. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.